Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the 12-volt battery in your Tesla Model 3. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm socket wrench, a battery terminal puller, and a new 12-volt battery. Before you begin, ensure your Tesla is safely in service mode to prevent any electrical issues. You'll find the 12-volt battery located conveniently in the front trunk, under a protective cover. This easy method will have you back on the road quickly. Now let's disconnect the old battery safely. Begin by carefully removing the plastic cover that protects the battery terminals. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, using your 10mm socket wrench to prevent any accidental short circuits. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, use a battery hold-down wrench to loosen and remove the bracket that secures the battery in its tray, preparing it for removal. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the tray and set it aside. Now, gently place your new 12-volt battery into the empty space, ensuring it sits flush. When connecting the new battery, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This order is crucial for safety. Once connected, secure the battery firmly with the hold-down bracket and replace any protective covers you removed earlier. After installing the new battery, carefully exit service mode on your Tesla's touchscreen. Check the display for any unexpected error messages, which should not appear if everything is connected correctly. Double-check that all battery connections are tight and secure, ensuring the battery itself is stable in its tray. For more great content and to find the link for the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals, please check the description below this video. Enjoy your refreshed Tesla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.